Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. March 27, another week, no? So patapos na ang first quarter ng year 2023. Monday, our market closed lower today, down 7.14 points to close at 6,595.03 value turnover sa 3.3 billion pesos. So matubal ang market, mabagal. There's nothing going on with our market. No? Expect weakness in the coming weeks. So this second quarter is normally weak for equities. There's what we call sell in May and go away. No? Market is not dropping and market is not going up either. No? So wala nangyayari. No? So anyway, investors also digested comments from BSP Governor Felipe Medalla that the next policy decisions ng BSP depends on the March and April inflation numbers. No? Sabi naman nila, they already addressed the inflation issue. No? So they just need to wait, no, how to tame inflation. No? So they also address or they at least telegraph its move na they might pause its rate hike cycle in May. No? So sobrang taas na rin ang interest when you check the bank rates. Uh, 'Di ba? Yung mga preferred shares, si MW Mega Wide Preferred 8%. So technically wala kang gagawin. 'Di ba? Pahiramin mo sila ng pera. Preferred shares works like that, no? You invest in them instead of these companies borrowing money from banks, sa investors sila magbaborrow, no? 8%. Ibig sabihin, mas mahal pa pag sa bangko sila humiram. No? Tayo naman, bakit pa tayo papakahirap mag-trade if you can lend these companies at a much higher rate? Do nothing and get 8%. Semirara today just declared 3 pesos and 50 centavos dividend. No? This includes yung regular and cash dividend nila. No? So trailing dividend is at 7 pesos. Trailing, it means dalawang cycle kasi ano, if you compute yung October dividend nila at saka yung March 2023 dividend, 3 pesos and 50 centavos plus 3 pesos and 50 centavos, that's 7 pesos over 31. No? I think the yield is at 22%. No? Remember why it dropped. It's not because of the companies, there's a bad news here. No? Bakit siya nahulog? It's because of some slowdown in the demand from China. But yung mga executives, which is yung mga sila Gotianon, Christina Gotianon, is bullish with the company. Kaya nga sila buyback ng buyback. So at 30 pesos, sobrang laki ng dividend niya. Remember, it also fell to as low as 8 pesos when it was removed from the index before. No? So if you know how to invest properly, ang sarap nun, no? Yung 8 pesos nun, nahulog yun. Kasi eventually, tinanggal siya sa index, walang liquidity. I still remember before, Semirara was just trading at 2 million pesos value turnover daily, ah. So wala talaga nagtitrade dyan. No? So yun, because of that, nahulog. Tinanggal sa index. So, nung 8 pesos naman, sila naman yung mga bumibili, yung mga bargain hunters, pinagtutulak-tulak on the news na China is reopening, or at least the world market is reopening. That's why they need coal. No? Yan yung essential ingredient para tumakbo yung economy. Ayan, umakyat, tapos nilagay uli sa index. That's how market works. That's how index behave, or index, no? Which is the top 30 stocks. No? Minsan, you don't sell when a stock is removed. Pabaliktarin mo na lang yan. Contrary yan. So it's also up 2.31% today. No? Wilcon is up, SMMPI, and GTCAP. GTCAP had a briefing nung Friday, no, wherein they discussed yung mga targets nila and how well their subsidiaries perform well. Toyota Motors, Metrobank, no, and even MPI. No, GTCAP owns I think 15% of MPI. They bought 15%. Yeah, at 6 pesos or 550 around that price. JGS Converge Globe, ICT and PLDT closed lower. No? PLDT announced a dividend, but they also slashed their capex. They have some issues with their capex overrun. Kaya nga nagkakaroon ng lawsuits yan. No? It's the sentiments. No? Anyway, FNI, no, announced yun nga, they were able to deliver a net income of 2.2 billion, which is 9% higher year on year. So this company showed the ability to evolve, no? May sariling building na nga sila sa BGC, no? Si Joseph, ano yun, pangalan ng may-ari dito. It closed higher today. Alter closed lower today, no? It behaved as expected. Sabi ko nga, no? Uh, yung mga IPO holders got disappointed na hindi umakyat. They started selling na. And when they started selling, price goes down, no? The stabilization fund acts like hindi siya pang push. It's more of a support lang, no? So I think they already used that but di pa naman ubos, no? So the next 30 days expect weakness as more IPO holders will sell their shares, no? And yun nga, they also announced that their project in Tanay, no? Init. Yung wind power nila, no? Tanay Wind Power Project attracts major foreign and local energy firms as they finalize for an equity partner there, no? If you don't know, no, UBS is one of those buying right now. It's a foreign tagging and ang init, no? The world or at least Philippines is going into renewables, no? It might take time for the market to digest this news also. After this IPO, they're looking to raise 2.5 billion from green bonds, no? Green bonds are those bonds that promotes uh, environment cost, no? So even ASEAN, no, raise close to sa ilang billion for that green bonds rin. Well, other than that, BDO acquired the stake of Keppel in Podium. If you don't know, no, Keppel, that Podium Mall is a joint venture between the C family and Keppel, which was a Singaporean company, no. So kaya ang ganda ng gawa nila dyan, no. If you check other malls, di naman ganyan ang malls ni SM, no. Pero si Podium, ang ganda ng paggagawa ng Singaporean standards and they already fully acquired that, no. So Shopee also leases some floors in that building. MRate finally got approval from SEC to acquire 4 new offices worth around 5.3 billion. This was announced last year. Nagka-delay lang yan, no? So, bakit ang tagal ng approval ng SEC? No, I don't know, no? There's a process for that. So, if you have problems with SEC, you contact them, not me, no? So, I don't know why so tagal rin, no? Even yung other increase in authorized capital stock, no? Kanya-kanyang time frame yan. Daming ginagawa yung SEC. But if you have any problems or suggestion with them, you contact them, no? So, expect rollback tomorrow, no? So, at least there's some good news. Ang taas na ng inflation sa Philippines. No? So, yun, no? Matamlay ang market, no? Not much going on. And yung alter will which we discussed yesterday, tama yung pagka-behave natin. So, expect weakness pa dyan, no? Maynila, no? It went from 17.80 to 20 pesos in just 5 trading days, no? They also, yun nga, no? MWC and Maynila has started to implement supply measures to meet the expected surge demand this summer, no? So, Manila Water is building a new water treatment plant in Muntinlupa, no? Which will yield an additional supply of 150 million liters per day to address the possible water supply deficit as population growth continues amid a lack of new water sources. Last Friday, also Bongbong Marcos announced a water management department, no? So, at least, yun yung panibago. Our country, Philippines is an archipelago surrounded by waters, pero may issue tayo ng tubig, no? Robinson's Land is expecting this year to be good, no? As residential units to be strong, no? Despite some geopolitical risk and interest rate hike, no? So, kahit na tumataas yung interest, no? Sabi nila last year was actually a record year for Robinson's Land as yun nga, dami na take up nila, no? So, our economy is reopening. The confidence of people, no, is high, no? Paano maging recession, ang daming tao sa malls, punuan, nagpapa-aircon, no? Kahit na ayaw mo bumili, mapapabili ka na lang, no? And this is spending, no? Yun nga, pumunta ako ng mall nung isang araw, no? Init kasi, no? In one area pa lang, ang daming prutas, may lingnam, may Jamaican patty, merong soybean, no? Parang na-corner na niya yan, no? So, kahit ayaw mo bumili, mapapabili ka. And knowing these stores, no, they don't report their revenues to the mall, di ba? So talagang malaki yung ano niyan, take up and laki ng markup also. By the way, our passcode is Semirara Dividend, no? Yan yung inaantay natin, no? Finally they announced and more to come, no? I expect GMA7, China Bank will also declare some, no? So yan yung mga inaantay natin. So what else, no? Someone asked, no? Uh, if MPI will be removed due to the listing, anong ilalagay? It's Nickel Asia, no? Ano pa ba ibang candidate? There's none because so you only remove one stock, no? Unless you have a different metrics, no? That's what TSE is using, no? And that offer is only applicable today or tomorrow at least, no? Kasi ang dami pwede mangyari if MPI will not be delisted due to tender offer for various reasons. The nickel Asia will not be included for now. No, a lot of things can happen in the next 6 months. No, the next rebalancing is August pa. No, so definitely pwede mag-rebalance o mag-change yan. There's a metrics. You don't just rebalance due to market cap. You also check liquidity. No, so yun. GT cap, no? By the way, consolidated net income is up 67% year on year to around 18.4 billion, by the way. No? So, other than that, C-rate, isa pa yan, no? It's almost back at its IPO price, 250. Slowly climb, no? Nadali lang yung pag-announce, but eventually walang pumapansin, ina-announce. No? Uh, yun. No? I hope you continue listening to this channel and share this to your friends, families. I'm also active in Instagram. No? Follow me. No? Yung Twitter natin, nandyan rin. No? Follow me there. No? Ayun. Thank you very much for listening. Stay safe. Bye-bye.